Hopefully we got a beaver in here this morning. Be back here tomorrow. Set a bunch of more beaver traps in here. Oh, they fixed the dam. See if I can do this and not get wet. All I got's my tennis shoes on. Jesus, they really... The trap is gone. That's a good thing. Get this shit out of here. This water's pretty deep. I can't see nothing out here. I'm gonna get wet. Oh, got some weight. There we go. Not a big one, but I'll take it anyway. Beaver's a beaver. Just a little guy. Get this crammed back in there. This spot, this is a damn good spot. I just keep catching and catching and catching here. I knew I was gonna get wet. I got my boots in the pickup, but I left them out there. They left them in the pickup. And we got some snow and shitty weather the other night. And they're full of snow. So that's pretty cool. All right. I'm gonna get that in the mud a little further. There we go. I can find a spot where I get this stake down in there. Some of these sticks out of the way. I'll use a couple of them for guide sticks. Stick that right there. Make sure my slider can go down. That one there. That didn't stick. That one ain't worth a shit. Stick some sticks in the mud here. Make them go where you want them to. Well, that one ain't worth a shit. Neat. There we go. That one will stick in there. There we go. Now, they're gonna go right here. Hopefully. All right. We'll be back tomorrow to set some more beaver traps in here. I got a mile's worth of this slough to set traps in. We'll be back tomorrow.